In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PPT to PDF. Converting a PowerPoint presentation into a PDF is a quick way to preserve your formatting, make your slides easy to share, and ensure anyone can open them on almost any device. PDFs tend to look the same everywhere, and they're great for printing or sending to people who don't have PowerPoint installed. Today we'll do this online in just a few moments. First, open your web browser and go to smallpdf.com/ppt to PDF. Type the address exactly as you hear it to land on the dedicated PowerPoint to PDF tool. You can use any modern browser on Windows, Mac OS, or even a mobile device. When the page loads, you'll see a clear area indicating where to place your file. This page is designed specifically for PPT and PPTX conversions, so you don't need to hunt through menus or settings. If the site takes a second to load, just give it a moment. It's preparing the conversion tool in the background. Next, upload your PowerPoint file. You can drag and drop your presentation straight into the box on the page, or use the file picker to select it from your computer. Choose the version you want to convert, typically the one you've just saved. Most presentations will upload quickly, but larger decks with lots of images can take a bit longer. Keep in mind that animations and transitions won't play in a PDF. They'll be flattened into clean, static pages. That's expected and is part of what makes the PDF consistent across devices. Fonts and layouts are usually preserved, especially if your presentation uses standard or embedded fonts. Now wait for the conversion to finish. You'll see a progress indicator showing that the file is being processed. During this time, keep the browser tab open and avoid putting your device to sleep so the upload and conversion can complete smoothly. On a stable internet connection, smaller files can be done in seconds. Larger or image-heavy presentations may need a bit more time, but the tool handles them reliably. Once the process is complete, the tool prepares a PDF version of your slides. The file name will typically mirror your original, now with a .pdf extension. You can expect the slides to look crisp and consistent. Note that embedded media, like audio or video and speaker notes, are not part of a standard PDF view, so the focus is purely on the visual slide content. And that's it. Go to the correct page, upload your PowerPoint, and wait for the conversion to complete. In just a moment, you'll have a polished, shareable PDF that reflects your presentation exactly as intended.